All right, the unboxing of the new Taramps Smart 3. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. Here it goes. Oh, goodness gracious. The reason I chose to get this amp, the Smart 3K, because it does 3K at 1 and 2 ohms. And I have dual 1 ohm subs in my truck. And I don't feel like getting new subs just because, the amp load. So I'm going to get a second one of these and run it, at 2 ohms a piece on my dual 1 ohm subs. So, that'd be 6K. And I won't have to get brand new subs. Anyways, they got 0 gauge inputs. I'm so happy they put 0 gauge on here. Look at the size of this compared to my old Scar 4500. It's like less than half of the size. Oh man. Oh man. Has the dual fan setup. Smart coolers. Oh my god, I'm so happy, man. I don't have to switch out my subs. I can just, run 2 of these on my subs. Does 3K at 1 and 2 ohms. That's crazy. It's kind of like that JL audio amp. And it comes with a clip indicator, which is a big, big plus. I can't wait to hook this up. Alright, got the amp hooked up. See how it sounds. And then eventually, I'm going to get the second one, and it should be game over then once I get the second one. Man, I'm so happy I don't have to, go through the household changing out subs, because changing out subs and this box is a headache. You gotta take the whole thing out the truck to actually take a sub out. So, hopefully these Taramps sound good.